Take a look at my thin eyebrows. Today I'm going to be trying out this parallel products. It's a Lash and a brow tint. It's my first time using a brow tint. This is what came in the package. We have a small brush. It's a small angled brush. We have the developer and the tint. We have a little mixing cup, and we have the directions. So the direction says to mix 1-to-1 ratio. This is way too much for one set of brows, so I needed like a third of that amount. So this should last me a long time. So it says to mix it well, so just use the back of the brush and combine the mixture until it's nice and fluffy and start turning the color that you want. I got black because my eyebrows are black. I mixed it well, and I'm just using the brush to apply the mixture, and I'm trying to follow the shape of my eyebrows. Normally my eyebrows are not even, they're like far cousins. So I'm just trying to get them to look like at least sisters, you know. But I don't want to stray too much from the shape of my eyebrows because I want them to look natural. And I'm just using a piece of napkin to clean off the excess before it starts to set in. And you can use Q-tip to get a nice straight line. And the longer it sits, the darker it gets. You can see how dark it got. So I'm not gonna let it sit too long on my brows because I don't want it to be overly black. So now I'm just cleaning off the excess with a wet napkin. And I'm using just a wet napkin first, and then I'll put soap on it and clean it properly. So it was my first time tinting my brows. As you can see, I was so excited when I realized, whoa, that means I don't have to fill them in every day, and this takes a lot of stress off of me. So now I'm trying it on my hair, but it didn't stick because I was steaming my hair with oil and the oil was still in my hair, so it did not stick. But I'll try another time. That's just an area that I have that's always been bald. So here's how my eyebrows are looking. I really love them, and this tint really works. As I'm speaking, it's been 3 days and they still look the same.